Hey there, Theo here. Let me tell you something I see way too often in construction. A project falls behind, budgets spiral, and everyone's pointing fingers. The culprit? A single measurement was off. Just one. That's why I always say, survey accuracy isn't a nice to have, it's a must have. When you get your data right from the start, you avoid costly rework, nasty delays, and the stress of unexpected surprises on site. Accurate surveys mean your designs fit the real world. Your plans pass approval faster. Your crew builds with confidence. And guess what? You spend way less fixing mistakes later. So, if you think cutting corners on surveying will save time, it won't. Accuracy saves time and money and sanity. Want the full story? No problem. Check the comments below for all the details.